going to show you how to do an oil reset on a 2004 to 2010 Ford F-150. You want to start with the turn ignition switch on, then hit your select button until you come across this reset for setup menu. Press and hold it. Now here's your oil. You want to press and hold again. Then once it's reset, mine's already been reset. Turn your ignition off, and that's it. Once again, turn your switch on. Press and hold on your menu. Once you see that, your oil reset, press and hold again. Then you're done. Now in your 2011 and up, use the directional buttons on the steering wheel. But other than that, it's the same. Thanks for watching, guys.